might be done before he gets started. Oh no, he got her going. Oh, there's a nice hit right there. There's number 100. Well, she's taking the corners hard. That is actually Hastings. She's got the pink tires. Oh, big hit, a big hit. Okay, looks like we got a couple guys that are already done. That big hit took out, well, I don't know what that is anymore. I think that's Justin Swiner with a Toyota Corolla. That big hit took him out. All right, 152 just took a hit. Brandon Davis might be in the water hole. I don't think he can move. Oh, yes, he is. Actually still moving. Oh, big hit. He's not messing around, baby. Number 13 is still moving. There's a good hit as well. Cody's doing his best trying to move on that 152 car. Oh, lined her up. Missed her. That was pretty close to her. A little bit of a sandwich going on there. Let's see who falls into that one. They're all moving. Don't want to get stuck in that mud hole. 152, Cody is stuck. Let's see if he can move. Okay, that's what we got. Call it. All right, everybody. We've got number 100. Ashley Hastings is going. Is that number 13? Is that Bob McDonald in that Honda?